I'm going to be talking to you about Panaway, and Panaway is our blend for anything that just that you're having discomfort with. So I always remember it by Panaway. Panaway is pain away. So I use it, you can use it anywhere that's sore, muscle tension, you just worked out. You can use it as a muscle cream. You can put it in a couple Epsom salt, a couple drops in Epsom salt, put it in the bathtub and soak. You can put it with some carrier oil and rub it onto anything that's not feeling good. You can rub it into the temples for, head tension. It's great on kids when they're growing, things are kind of not feeling good, and I heavily dilute this for my kids with that. You can use it on just anything that just doesn't feel good. It's an amazing blend of wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint. And a really cool fact about wintergreen is it's made up of almost 99% of methyl salicylate, which is an amazing it's amazing for inflammation. It acts as kind of like a natural numbing agent. So it's really great for inflammation, just for any sort of discomfort. I have a funny story. So I had my friend use this after she had a minor surgical procedure, and she was texting me in the middle of the night, some crazy hour, I didn't get it till the next day, about how she was amazed at how this took away all of her discomfort, and she could not believe it because she had been on some pharmaceuticals for it. So this is really just funny story. And so I really also like to mix it with peppermint. Helps to make the oils work a little bit better, makes it a little more potent. Or you can put a little drop with copaiba with it as well, because copaiba is really great for inflammation as well. So this is a really wonderful blend. One more thing to note is it does have a childproof cap on this, and that's because it has wintergreen in it, and we want to avoid wintergreen with kids. So thanks for watching.